Hello guys, welcome to Crafts by Doti. On today's video, we'll be showing you how to make a sliding mirror dressing table. For this project, we used 1.5 pieces of MDF board. We started the project by splitting the full MDF board into a 48 by 54 inch size. On the table saw, we ripped 2 pieces each measuring 16 by 54 inches. On one of the 16 by 54 inches piece, we measured 7 inches and ripped it to a 24-inch point as shown. We did the same to the other piece. We then took a square and drew a straight line to meet the cut point. We then cut through with the jigsaw. We repeated the process to the other piece, and these 2 pieces will form our dressing table sides. Next, we used the table saw to cut out our dresser tabletop. We then split the remaining board into different sizes for the drawers and shelves. These are the pieces that we need to create our dressing table. We further trimmed the pieces into the required size. We started off the next phase of our project by joining the 2 sides to the top. We did this using wood glue and 2-inch nails. Next, we attached the top rail using 2-inch nails, and we did this while checking to ensure it was squared. On the face of the top rail, we attached a 2-inch piece of pallet wood which will help us in attaching the mirror rail. Next, we planed a 4-inch piece of pallet wood which we attached at the lower back of the dressing table. This will help us provide more stability and hold the back plywood in place. For the lower shelf, we attached a 2-inch pallet wood which will hold the bottom mirror rail. We then used a square to give us a perfect line for attaching the lower shelf. We then smeared a generous amount of glue and reinforced using 2-inch nails. This is the structure so far. Off the camera, we attached the box where all the drawers will go in. On the meter saw, we trimmed the shelves into the required size and attached them using 2-inch nails. We then used screws to attach it on the point where the dressing mirror will go in. We also added the plywood on the back using glue and 1.5-inch nails. Next, we cut 4 pieces of wood and planed them, then joined them together to form the base of the dressing mirror. Since we are using MDF, the wooden base will protect the dressing table from soaking in case it comes into contact with water. At this point, we are attaching the drawer handles. We did several coats of paint on the entire structure, sanding in between each coat. On the front part of the shelves, we attached an 18-inch rail which will hold up the mirror. To attach the mirror, we used 1/2 inch MDF board and binded the mirror on top of it using silicone. On the drawer beneath the mirror, we inserted a lock. We also made a simple chair to go with the sliding mirror dressing table. This item provides a huge storage space for beauty products and accessories. It also provides an extra hidden storage behind the mirror for personal stuff. That's it guys for today's video. We really appreciate your support and we are always overjoyed to get your feedback. It's the reason we keep creating. Thanks for clicking into Crafts by Doti. We will see you on our next one.